Hey guys, this is Robert, and here is a set of hand sanitizer bottles. It's a set of 20 things. So let's open it up. They really taped it down. Okay, so we have some funnels here. I think it's 10 funnels. Realistically, you just need one. Or a few, or two, a few of them. That way, if you lose one, you still have one, but each one doesn't need one. There's 5 there. All various colors. Just get one. So it has a few notches here, different lengths. Just put it through. That. This kind of slips out pretty easily here. But I mean, I guess that's just the design. That's how it is. Or we can maybe make this a little thicker, so it stays in better. Right here's the bottle. I can press it in a little bit. Screw here. Then you want to fill it up with your preferred liquid. I'm going to use it for hand sanitizer, maybe lotion. You just fill it in with this funnel. And yeah, comes in a set of 10. So a whole bunch of backpacks, or maybe you can put one in your car, keychain. And if you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.